Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, a cozy place where learning English feels simple, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
Today, we're talking about family, how to describe your relatives in English. This is a super common topic. People ask about family all the time.
Yes. When you meet someone new, they might ask, "Do you have brothers or sisters?" Or, "Tell me about your family." So today, we will help you answer that confidently.
And naturally, not like a textbook robot voice. My family consists of 4 members. Beep boop.
Yeah, no robot speaking today. We want real, warm, human English.
So, let's start with something simple. How many people are in your family?
For example, I can say, I have 5 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me.
Nice and easy. So, friends listening, say it with us. Repeat after us. I have blank people in my family.
Great. Fill in your number. Just say it out loud. Even if you feel shy, we're practicing here.
Now, Emma and I are twins, so our family story is kind of fun.
Yes, we are 2 minutes apart. I am older by 2 minutes.
And she never lets me forget that, ever.
Because it's important. 2 minutes is a lot. Teasing.
Sure. Anyway, let's describe family member vocabulary. Listen carefully. Mother to mom, father to dad, brother, sister.
Right. And if you are married, you have husband, the man you are married to, wife, the woman you are married to.
And for children, son, a boy child, daughter, a girl child.
So try repeating after us. Mom,
Dad,
brother,
sister,
parents,
son.
daughter.
Nice. Now, let's teach a simple structure to describe family. I live with my...
For example, I live with my parents. Or I live with my husband and daughter. Or I live alone. That's also okay.
Now, let's practice describing your siblings. That means brothers and sisters.
Okay, Jack, how would you describe me?
Okay. This is my sister, Emma. She is 2 minutes older than me. She is kind, a little dramatic, and she drinks tea like it's her job.
I do not drink that much tea.
You had tea this morning and afternoon and evening, and I think tea is your blood type now.
Okay, my turn. This is my brother, Jack. He is 2 minutes younger. He is funny, patient, and he always loses his socks.
Why would you expose me like that in front of everyone?
Because it's the truth. You lose socks like some people lose pens.
Anyway, friends, did you notice the structure? This is my what family member. He or she is age or description. He or she is personality adjectives.
Yes, so now you try. Think of one family member. Say their name, say if they are older or younger, and give one personality word.
Let's do a mini practice. Repeat after us slowly. This is my brother. He is older than me. He is very friendly.
Good. If you don't have a brother, say sister. Say whichever is true for you.
And if you want to sound even more natural, use small, warm words like really, so, very.
For example, she is really kind. He is so funny. My parents are very supportive.
Now, let's talk about describing family size. Some families are big. Some families are small.
For example, in many countries, families are big, with grandparents, cousins, uncles, and aunts all living close or together.
Right. So, to describe extended family, grandmother to grandma, grandfather to grandpa, aunt is your mom or dad's sister, uncle is your mom or dad's brother, cousin is your aunt or uncle's child.
Let's repeat those together. Friends, say them out loud. Grandma,
Grandpa,
aunt,
uncle,
cousin.
perfect. Now, let's do a small conversation example.
I'll ask Jack about his family. Listen first. Jack, how many cousins do you have?
I have 6 cousins. We don't live in the same city, but we talk a lot online.
Nice. Now, friends listening, answer the same question. How many cousins do you have?
You don't have to be perfect. Just try.
If you're not sure, you can say, I have many cousins, or I don't have any cousins.
Boom. Easy.
Now let's teach adjectives for describing personality. These are simple and friendly ones. Kind, funny, quiet, friendly, smart, helpful, creative, strong.
For example, my dad is very strong. My mother is kind. My sister is creative. My brother is funny.
And you can combine them. My cousin is smart and friendly. My aunt is quiet but very kind.
When you describe family members, remember this pattern. Family member plus is plus adjective. My father is kind.
Let's do a quick repeat after us. My mom is kind.
My dad is funny.
My sister is friendly.
My brother is quiet.
My grandmother is helpful.
Great job.
Now let's add ages, but we keep it simple. For example, she is 40 years old. He is 12 years old. My brother is 10.
Notice, we don't say years old every time when speaking casually. You can just say, my brother is 10. My mom is 50.
Okay, Jack, I'm going to ask you some questions. Listeners answer too. Jack, who are you closest to in your family?
I think I am closest to Mom. We talk a lot. She listens to me. She gives great advice.
Same here. I talk to Mom about everything. Friends listening, who are you closest to? Just say, I am close to my...
Next question. Who is the funniest person in your family?
Oh, that's easy. Grandma.
Yes, our grandma is hilarious.
She tells jokes like a professional comedian.
And she has the best laugh. Like, ha 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 ha.
Okay, last practice question for now. What do you usually do with your family?
For example, we eat dinner together. We watch movies. We talk and drink tea. We visit relatives on weekends.
Friends, think of one simple activity. Say it. I blank with my family.
Nice and simple.
And now let's talk about describing family feelings. Warm words. Close, supportive, caring, loving.
For example, my family is very close. We support each other. We care about each other. We are a loving family.
That is beautiful and simple English.
And it shows real emotion.
Now, Jack, I want to teach one more useful sentence. I get along with my...
Oh, yes. This means you have a good relationship. For example, I get along with my sister. I get along with my cousins.
If you do not have a good relationship, you can say, I don't really get along with my...
But say it gently, no drama today.
So, Jack, do you get along with me?
Most days. But when you steal my snacks,
I do not steal your snacks. I borrow them.
borrow means you return them, which you do not.
Okay.
See? Sibling love. And snack war.
Now, let's ask the listeners a question they can answer in the comments. What is one word to describe your family?
Yes, write one word. Kind, funny, loud, quiet, big or small.
We can't wait to read them.
And we're not done yet. We still have more natural phrases to teach.
Great. Let's keep going. We were talking about describing your family with warm and natural English. Now, let's teach a few more phrases that make your speaking sound real, friendly, and comfortable.
Right. Sometimes learners speak too direct, like, my family is good. My sister is nice.
It's okay, but we want to sound more alive, more natural.
So, here are some gentle, friendly ways to talk about your family. My family means a lot to me. I feel happy when I spend time with my family. We are very close and we support each other.
And the nice thing is, you don't need big vocabulary, just simple, warm words.
Let's practice together. Friends listening, repeat after us. My family means a lot to me.
I like spending time with my family.
We are a close family.
Great. Now let's talk about describing differences in your family. For example, maybe your brother is very outgoing, but you are quiet. Or your mom is very organized, but your dad is relaxed.
This can make your description sound more interesting and real.
I'll give an example using our family. My mom is very organized. She likes schedules and plans. My dad is more relaxed. He doesn't worry too much. So, sometimes they balance each other.
Yes, and here is another one. My grandma talks a lot. She tells stories for hours. But my grandpa is quiet. He listens more than he speaks.
Notice how describing differences makes the conversation feel real, like storytelling.
Okay, now we'll try something fun, a mini role play. Friends, listen first, then we will ask you to try.
I will pretend I am introducing my family to a new friend. Jack, you pretend to be the friend asking questions.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
So, Emma, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have 5 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my brother, my sister, and me. We are a close family. We talk a lot, and we eat dinner together every night.
That sounds nice. What is your mom like?
My mom is very caring. She always asks if we are okay. She loves cooking.
And your dad?
My dad is funny. He tells jokes and makes us laugh every day.
What about your siblings?
I have 1 younger brother and 1 older sister. My younger brother is quiet, but he is very kind. My older sister is smart and confident.
Good job. That sounded warm, natural, and friendly.
Thank you. Now, friends listening, now it's your turn.
Pause for a moment. Think of one person in your family.
Now say 3 things. Who they are they older or younger, if possible? 1 personality word.
Even if you whisper, even if your pronunciation is not perfect, just try.
We are practicing confidence, not perfection.
Exactly. Mistakes are allowed. Mistakes are part of learning. We also make mistakes.
Yes, sometimes Jack cannot even pronounce comfortable.
It's a hard word. Comfortable? Comfortable? I don't know, okay?
See? Normal, real, human, not perfect. Okay, now let's teach how to talk about family activities, what you do together.
Here are useful phrases. We have dinner together. We go for walks. We watch movies. We visit relatives. We call each other often. We celebrate holidays together.
And you can describe your feelings too. It feels nice to be together. We enjoy spending time together.
Let's repeat a few. Repeat after me. We have dinner together.
We enjoy spending time together.
We visit relatives on weekends.
Great! Now, sometimes students ask, what if my family is not close? What if we don't get along?
That's okay. Real life is different for everyone. You can say, we don't talk often. We live in different places. We are not very close.
Notice we say it gently. No need to be dramatic. Just simple and calm.
Exactly. English can express feelings softly and kindly.
Let's talk about siblings again, because siblings can be funny.
Yes, siblings can be your best friends and your biggest trouble. For example, Emma stole my snacks when we were 12.
I did not steal them. I simply relocated them to my stomach. So, a fun, useful phrase. We argue sometimes, but we still love each other.
Perfect. It sounds real, natural, and warm. Now, let's do a small listening quiz. Friends, listen and choose the correct meaning.
Number 1. My sister is older than me. Does it mean A, she is younger than me? B, she is older than me? C, she is my cousin.
The answer is B. She is older than me.
Number 2. We are a close family. Does it mean A, we live far apart? B, we don't talk? C, we have a strong relationship?
The answer is C. We have a strong relationship.
Number 3. I get along with my brother. Does it mean A, we have a good relationship? B, we always fight? C, we don't talk?
The answer is A. We have a good relationship.
Nice job! If you got them all correct, high five. If not, it's okay. We learn by practicing.
Now, let's ask our audience one more question they can answer in the comments. What do you usually do with your family?
For example, we drink tea together. We play games. We go to the park.
Write your answer in the comments. One sentence, simple and friendly.
And now it's time to wrap up today's episode with a warm goodbye.
Friends, remember, your family story is unique and beautiful. You don't need big vocabulary. Just speak from your heart.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments what topic you want next.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time on the English Twins podcast.